The center of Kolozsvár Cluj has lived through challenging history over the last 7 centuries. It can be seen in old pictures going back as long as photography itself has been around. The borders of countries, buildings, lifestyle and fashion have changed around it, but St. Michael's Church has stood the test of time. The building of St. Michael's Church started in 1316 and was completed in 1444. Since then, the life and most important events of the Hungarian community in Kolozsvár and in Transylvania have taken place here. This aspect makes it a symbolic building not only for Kolozsvár but for the whole Hungarian community of Transylvania. It has served as the site of several elections of princes of Transylvania, the tallest church in the region and the most beautiful example of the Transylvanian Gothic architectural style is now in need of rehabilitation and preservation. The restoration of the building started in 2018 for 4.8 million euros of European Union funding. Adam Mokshay and his team are passionately designing and supervising every step of the restoration. Following archaeological research, art historian surveys, load-bearing structure examinations and a thorough review of the electrical system, the team now knows precisely what the building needs in terms of restoration.
The biggest challenge is the stone restoration in the exterior, because there are several important damages what we didn't knew during the design period. Now when the church is scaffolded, we realize that the damages how big are in this moment. In interior we will change the complete electrical system.
During the restoration, the interior frescoes will be restored, new metal structure stairs will lead to the neo-Gothic tower, and the tiles will also be restored. The project leaders also wish to conserve the original exterior material as much as possible for the church to preserve its old patina.